Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, Gerant here. In previous video, I have explained how to insert, modify, and delete data in my SQL databases. In this video, I will give a tutorial on creating a CRUD, create, read, update, and delete application using App Inventor. First, I will create the UI for the application we are going to build. We need some layouts. One, two, three. I think it's enough. With fill parent, fill parent, fill parent. Okay, we have three layouts here, and then we need some text box for inputs. Okay, center, center, center. Okay, one, two. Okay, with fill parent. This for full name, full name. This one is for phone number, and this one for address. Address. Fill parent. Okay. We have three text box in here. Then we need a button for save. We name the button save. Font bold. All right. Here is how it looks. We have text box for input full name, phone number, and then for the address. Then there's a button for users to save the data they have entered. We also need a web viewer to display the result. Web viewer. We put down here web viewer, and we need a web component. Web. Okay. We have all components that we need in this application. Okay, now let's move on to the code. This time it's a bit tricky because I will use PHP as an API to execute the queries. So I will turn on my XAMPP, open your XMPP control panel, and turn on Apache and MySQL. Okay, make sure Apache is green and MySQL is green. After you do that, open your text editor. I'll use my Visual Studio Code here, and then you can make new folder at C directory, go to XMPP, and go to htdocs folder. Then make new folder. I already make the new one. The name is tutorial. Then, okay. Then I will make the connector. Host. We need host variable. Type your host here. If you are use your own laptop or your own PC, you can type localhost. And then username root. And then we need password. Type your password here. And then we need database name. Okay, let's see. What is my database name? Open your localhost /phpMyAdmin. I have Gerantia database. Gerantia database. We have made this database in previous videos. Okay, type Gerantia or your database name here. And then make new variable, database connection, MySQLi underscore connect. Host and then you need username, password, and you need database name. Okay, don't forget to put semicolon right here, and then make if condition. If database connection is false, die database connection fail. Database connection fail. MySQL connect error. Okay, sorry, MySQLi connect. Okay, exit semicolon and save. Then we can try this connection. Go to your browser, type localhost slash your folder's name, tutorial slash connector, or your file name. Then enter. If there is no text here, your connection is success. Now we will make new file for insert query. Make new file and type insert PHP for the file name. PHP include. You can include your connector here. Type connector .php semicolon. And then you have to make a variable to get your value from the application. We need name, and then we need phone number, and then we need address. $get name, and then $_get phone number. $_get address. And then we have to make the queries. Query. Insert into your table name. For the example, I have example table. The name is example. The table name is example. And then name, phone number, and then address. Values. We have three values here. Three variable here. We make three like this. Name. Type your variables here. Phone number and address. Then execute your query. MySQLi. Type this syntax MySQLi underscore query. Get your database connection from connectors and your query. Then semicolon. Okay, like this. Now let's move on to our App Inventor. We will code this button. Okay, click on save button. Once save, click. Then we need web components. Scroll down and click this set web1.url to. Go to text, join. We need we need more string. Okay, and then go to and then open your command prompt. Type here cmd. Type ipconfig here. This is my IP address, IPv4 address, and copy it to set web1.url. Okay, get text here. Type http / your IP / your folder name tutorial. My folder's name is tutorial, and then insert .php question mark. What is your name variable? Name variable, this one. This one is your variable name. Type name equals. Enter. Put here. Name.text. And then type n. The second variable is phone. No. Phone number. Type here phone number equals. Sorry. And phone number equals. Get your text box here. Change it to the text. I need two more. And then your third variable is address. Type here and address equals. Get your address text box. It is call web1.get. Now we will create the code to display the values that we have entered into the table. Add new file. I name the file is select.php. PHP include connector.php. Okay. We want to display name, phone number, and address from table. Table name is example. Okay, let's make the query. Let's make query. Select star from. Turn table name example. Order by name descending. Okay, then execute the code. Result equals MySQL QLI query database connection, comma query. Add semicolon here. And then get the value to the variable row equals MySQLi fetch a sock fetch a sock from result variable. Okay, I'm sorry. before the row variable, you have to add this one, MySQL num rows from result more than 0. Then make the row variable is inside the if condition like this. And then we create loop. Then we will display the value in here. In the while loop, we create the table first, echo. You can follow my code here. If num rows, uh, number of rows is more than 0, they will the program will show table contains full name, phone number, and address. Match this text to your column name at your table, database table. This and this one too. Okay, let's go get back to App Inventor code. Okay, now we will code this web viewer one. Before that, we set new components in save button. When save click, okay, go reload. After web one get, call web viewer one reload. So this web viewer will reload the same URL. Okay, go, type this home URL to http // your IP address / your folder name tutorial / your select file select.php. Enter. So when save button is clicked, web viewer will reload this URL. Okay, now let's make new data to the table, insert the new data, full name. For example, I choose my name, Gerant Kia. Phone number 123456778. Address Indonesia, West Java. And then save. See? Full name Gerant Hia. Phone number 123456778. Address Indonesia, West Java. And then now we okay, let's try another data. Let's try a new data. More data. Vietnam. Vietnam. 55555 person. Save. See. Full name person. Phone number 55555 and address in Vietnam. Now we have successfully created a program to input data and display data from the table. For the next video, I will continue this project to make delete and update data from the table and then show it to user screen. See you on the next video. Bye bye.